I bought private plates for the Aston and you guys hated it, so today we're going to fix it. And the first thing we need to do is find a plate for it. Now if you ask me why I'm here, car plates are actually sent an airdrop over, and any second now we should see the package over there. Right, this is some sketchy stuff in here, like literally, look at that, found it. After about 30 minutes of searching, now we have to make sure we don't get bitten or stung. There we go, it's been ripped up. Make sure there's no creepy crawlies on it. And let's try and get out of here. Oh, I'm tangled, Ah! Right, take two, we're getting out. I'm having spiders all over me. That is a huge spider over there. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't want to stay out here any longer, so we need to evac straight away. This is my illegal plate, which everyone points out to me, but if we come to the front of the car, we've got this shortened plate here. Obviously we've got loads of dead flies, but 2 screws, 1 and 2 over there. If we come to the back of the car, we've also got a shortened plate because they come in a kit, and we can see the exhaust cutout. Well, what I think is the exhaust. Now, a lot of you said that it looks horrendous, so today we're going to fix that. So with the goods secured, let's take out the number plate. There we go. Yeet. On the ooh, what's this? My man like P Brown's quality check this. So what we need to do is make sure we've got the Velcro on the back, but first we have to match it up with the other one, so let's take that off. Welcome back to another unboxing. Honestly, I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Got the long plate in the car. This sun is absolutely, I mean, normally these things don't actually do anything, but I mean, it did enough. So for all the hate out there for the short plate, it's gone. Right guys, it's dead. And now we've got the long plate on, so the car has, well, to you guys it should look a lot better with the long plate. Yeah, that's all I have to say really. You guys bullied me into it. Car plates direct, literally you put in your private reg and bruv, the airdrop the hell out of it in like 0.5 days. Mad. Thank you guys for watching the Motoralli clapped out video, and I'll see you guys in another one. What? Right, recording. What do I need to say? I ain't got a clue either.